Actually, it's okay if you lay it out. Open it. Take that nasopharyngeal swab. Make sure when you collect, you're wearing your protective gear. But this is more of showing your self-collection. Take it out, and when you go in, mix, 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 and then try to rub it to the side of the teeth, the inside teeth, to make sure you release everything. And that's about it. Then you can lay it out. The nice thing about it, doesn't spill. If God forbid you tip it, so there isn't anything to worry about. And that's it. If you want to collect another throat swab, you can, and you can use it in the same tube.